Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jackson the Jaxster, and we are in my tutorial world, so we're going to do a tutorial. And you see I got a couple of building looking doors back here. And today what we're going to do is build a 2x2 door, flush door, as you can see behind. The dirt, you can't see it really at all. You wouldn't even know something was there unless you've seen the repeaters and the pressure plates. So let's get started. I want to show you first how they work. So we're just stepping on our pressure plate, coming through, and then we have a pressure plate to go back out, same way. I got inspired by this from Wings of End. I'll link his channel and his video down in the description. But as you can see, it goes through fairly fast, as fast as Bedrock gets sometimes. And I'll show you how to build it too, is if you just had a lever, and if you want to just use a lever, we'll do that first. And it would just open the door and keep it open. But if you want to have a flush door that closes behind you, so if you want to hide it like this one in dirt, then you can do that. So anyway, let's get started. I've got this kind of laid out here. First of all, we'll dig down 2, and that's kind of how you see the layouts out here. I got a 2x2. So if you want to take a screenshot of it real quick, so we got a 2x4. Or a 2x2 here, and then a 2x4 up here. So we're just going to dig all this out. And we're just going down 2 deep. So let's go ahead and repair that. And we'll get back up here. I forgot to tell you at the beginning the list of items we're going to use. So you want to grab blocks of your choice. We're going to use these wool. And then the first of all, we're going to start out with just opening a door with a lever, and you're going to need 2 repeaters for that. So if you just want to do that, you can just do that. Probably 16 redstone dust, probably less than that, probably only 8. I'm just kind of throwing some numbers out here for that. Actually, total, you're probably only going to need 16, even doing both sides. And then when we get ready to do the pressure plate side, we'll go ahead and we'll need 1 redstone torch and 2 pressure plates. Okay, so take a screenshot of that if you like. Okay, so let's get back over here. So once we got this dug out, we're going to go over here and dig a hole there, and a hole here, and out there. So just like that. Okay, so then we'll come back up, and then we'll start on our building. We'll start first with our 6 on each side sticky pistons. Jump up here real quick. And then we're going to need to place 2 this way. So we got 4 facing in, just like that. Okay, so they're on the corners. So if we go here, 2, and then turn and place 2 more here. So you can see the redstone's going to come underneath this. That's one reason why I wanted to show you that, because that's going to be important. We're going to do 2 redstone dust here, 2 here, and then we're going to come back with the repeater on 1 tick. So you don't need to change it if you just place it. Next, you'll come back with redstone here, and you can put a block here, and we'll put our lever here. This is going to be using a lever. So let's go ahead and place our floor. Just like this. We'll go ahead and come out 2 more. Okay. And then on our wall, our main door, we'll place it. And then we'll have our wall again. And you can always just do this so you can see how to build it, and then you can change up the colors however you want later on. So we got a 3 just to make it even. I'll do 3 on each side. Then we're going to come back, and let's go ahead and cover the wall up so we can see all this. We got the top wall on, and then we'll build a hallway, and we'll come back 2 past the pistons. And then we need to do 2 here, 2 here, just extend our hallway out. We can even go and make our floor that far out. So next we're going to come back over here where these two sticky pistons is, and you could do this on either side. I'm just going to bring it up this way, and we need to place two blocks. It doesn't matter what they are. 2 blocks here. Okay. And then we're going to come up here with our redstone. So 2 more redstone this way here, and we're going to come up staircase up here, and we're going to stop here. We need to place 2 blocks here on top of the sticky pistons, a repeater here, a repeater here. These both need to be on 4 ticks because they're going to operate the top. And then we're going to go redstone dust here. We're going to step down here so we get everything. Make sure you connect here also, and down here, and that should be it. So we should be able to turn this on just like that. You have to toggle it once for it to go, so then close it back up. And so pretty much you're done there. If you just want to use a lever, you're good to go. If you want to go ahead and use pressure plates like I did on the other doors, what we're going to do is break this, and we're going to come down here and place another block. So I'm just going to use the orange, and then we'll place a redstone torch here that'll close the door back up, and then we'll come back here, and we're going to place a redstone dust there, and on top of that orange up here, we're going to do a pressure plate. Now this will get us open again the same way, but we don't have any way on the other side, right? So let's go ahead and place the blocks here. We're going to need to go into this, so I'm going to show you. Probably the easiest way is just to dig around, because in this world I don't have very much room. If you had more room, what we're going to do is just run a repeater into that. So we're just going to go around the whole thing here real quick. And we'll go over to where we want to place our pressure plate on this side, and we're going to dig down here, and then we need to place a redstone dust so when it can activate it, the redstone. Then we'll come across, make our connection back to where we come across down here. This is where you might need another 2 repeaters, because you will need one. We're going to use the repeater to go into this block here, which turns off the turns off the redstone torch. So then we're going to come back and run redstone here. Like I said, you could make this shorter and go underneath if you had more room. And I'm going to move this repeater over here just so we know that we got a strong redstone signal. And again, you don't need to change the tick. It's just 1 tick on there. So go ahead and place it there. Come back up out of here. We'll put our orange floor back down. Now if we step on this, you can see we could come through either side now, either way. So yeah, we probably wouldn't use this white, but we can show this just for the redstone, where we run the signal around. Okay guys, less than 10 minutes, we got us a redstone door that we can go in from both sides. Or less than that, you could just use the lever, and it will work and open it up and keep it open. All right, thanks to Wings Vince for the inspiration. And like I said, I'll leave a link down to his video in the description. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.